have leftover rice and beans that you have no idea what to do with, let me show you how to make an arroz mamposteao. So we had dinner from a Spanish restaurant the other day, and I have all this leftover white rice and beans. Of course, there's so many different ways that you can do this. You don't have to use any type of meat, but I have some frozen ham here from the holidays, and I'm just gonna use just a handful. Why not give it a little extra flavor? Now keep in mind, all of these ingredients that you're using are already cooked. You're just heating everything through. So this is gonna come together really fast. Some pepper, a little bit of garlic. 1 cube should be fine. But of course, when it comes to garlic, there's no limit. So put as much as you want. Just gonna let those peppers get nice and soft. I use frozen peppers. You can use fresh if you want to, but why? With a nice spoonful of sofrito. I have some sweet plantains here. They're the frozen kind. I just heated them up in the microwave for just about a minute, okay? You don't have to add the amarillos, the sweet plantains. I think the sweetness mixed with the saltiness is absolute perfection, but you do not have to add it. I'm gonna let the sweet plantains cook up a little bit and get a little caramelized before I add the rest of the ingredients. So my sweet plantains have started to caramelize and get a nice color on them. We're gonna go ahead and with our rice. To soften up the rice a little bit, I'm gonna steam it for a minute. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of water in the pan. Put a lid on it. Just for a few minutes. And no, my lid doesn't fit. For whatever reason, this pan doesn't have a lid. I don't know why they did that. Once the rice is nice and separated up, we're gonna just toss everything together. Now we take our beans and just pour them right over. I switched to a spoon because it's just so much easier this way. So I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here to get the rest of that out. Not too much, just a little. Mix that up. I'm going to put this on low for a little bit and just kind of let everything really get nice and heated through. And then I'll show you what she looks like when she's done. This looks beautiful. Once it's done, I'm going to top it with a little fresh cilantro and just shut the heat. Mix that in there. All right, we're going to taste. My mouth is watering. If you have like leftover proteins like chicken, steak, whatever, you can throw that in here too. I'm telling you. Look at that. Nice, delicious bite. It definitely helps that the restaurant that we ordered from, their beans are delicious. So there was so much flavor in here already. I didn't even need to add like salt or anything like that. It was perfect. Look at that. So good.